Android users, beware. Your private conversations might be at risk. A dozen apps, seemingly innocent, have been unmasked as spies. These apps, now identified by security researchers, are a growing threat to Android privacy. They've been secretly recording audio in the background, invading users' personal space. But here's where it gets controversial. The spyware, named VajraSpy, doesn't just stop at audio. It's a master of deception, using social engineering to gain trust and then stealing personal data. The trap is set in a place where many seek comfort: online dating. Attackers create fake profiles on popular messaging platforms, luring victims into a false sense of security. They initiate conversations that feel genuine, building trust over time. But the ultimate goal is to trick users into installing a malicious app, disguised as a better messaging alternative. This Trojan horse carries VajraSpy, designed to stay hidden and steal sensitive information. The emotional connection makes this attack so effective. Romance is a powerful lure, but in the wrong hands, it becomes a weapon, warns a security analyst. The human element is what makes this threat so dangerous, as it exploits our natural desire for connection and trust. The list of these 12 apps is a crucial revelation. Rafikot, Privy Talk, Meet Me, Let's Chat, Quick Chat, Chit Chat, Yahoo Talk, TikTok, HelloChat, Nidus, GlowChat, and WaveChat. Some were even available on Google Play, downloaded over 1,400 times before their removal. And this is the part most people miss. Sideloaded versions are still spreading through private messages. VajraSpy's capabilities are extensive. It can record ambient audio, capture phone calls, and steal private data like SMS, chat messages, and location. It can even expand its access by misusing accessibility features. The result? A comprehensive invasion of privacy. Why do people fall for this? The answer lies in the scammer's ability to exploit basic human psychology. Consistent communication builds trust, and tailored messages create an emotional connection. The excitement of a new relationship can blind users to technical red flags. It's a sophisticated form of social engineering, making it harder to detect. So, how can you protect yourself? Here are some expert-recommended habits. Stick to official app stores and avoid APK links in private chats. Be vigilant post-install. Check developer details, permissions, and user reviews. Keep your Android updated and enable security features like Google Play Protect. Only grant apps necessary permissions. Use a trusted mobile security suite. If you suspect something is wrong, look for signs like unusual battery drain, unexpected microphone activity, or strange notifications. And if you've removed a suspicious app, don't stop there. Scan your device, change important passwords, and review app permissions to ensure your digital life remains secure. This incident highlights the importance of awareness and caution. By understanding the tactics of such threats, you can fortify your defenses. But are we truly safe in the digital world? Share your thoughts below.